channel, it's me, Lasagna with Miss Doll's Handmade Creation, and today I'm coming with another Diamond Art Club unboxing. This again is from the past. And this one is by, I don't see it on, Randall Spangler. Y'all know I love all of his things, so you already know what this is. This one is called Cookies and Classics by Randy Spangler. It is a square. Here is the box. I love the holographics on the box. Let's get into it. Now Stitch wants to bark. Y'all know the toolkit. Alright, that's not too wide. Alright. Got these boxes over here. Sorry, knocking my stuff down. Got my small one. Put it in my book. Move this to the side. It's all wrinkled up. That's okay. Y'all seen these before. Let's open this plastic up. I am so excited. This is so... I love Randall Spangler stuff. There's a couple of them that I don't care too much for, and I did not order them. Okay, so it's a big one. Big box, big bag of drills. Let's see. And we'll put that there until I'm ready. Again, step-by-step instructions with a coupon code inside. Look at the drills, cookies and cream. Look at this beautiful, ooh, I see ABs there. Look at all these beautiful colors. Yes! And it is a square. All right, it's a little wrinkle, but that's okay. Here we go. Look at this baby. Oh, I got to turn it this way so y'all can see. Look how beautiful. Cookies and cream, Cookies and Classics by Randall Spangler. And it is a square, 94 centimeters by 70 centimeters, which is 37 inches by 27.6 inches. And it has ABs. It has 1, 2, 3 ABs there. 1, 2, 3. There are 57 colors. Let's get into this baby. Oh, wow. Okay, so this time it's going long ways that way. Oh my gosh, I can barely get it on there. Look how beautiful. I love the books with all the little jewels on there. Look at that little kitty cat right there. He know he need to stop peeking around now. I don't want to knock my projects over. It's got a schematic here. Look how long this list is. At the top, bottom right is normal. Look how beautiful. Love the little marbles that you find. The clock in the background is beautiful. This is a beautiful canvas. Okay, guys, we're going to have to look at it on the thing there. That is what it's going to look like. I love, look at the little marbles. I love how he always has those marbles in his pictures. Love it. So let's get into these drills. I can't go through the whole thing like I did before, guys. Alright, let's see. Open these up, because I know some people like to hear the colors. That's the only reason I go through the colors. Somebody might be looking for a certain color. That's a long bag. Let me see how many was turned over. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. We have 1 train, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow. Alright, we got 5 trains, guys. We'll start with these small ones right here. It's probably a continuation of one, probably of that one. So this one says 3 400s, the brown. And of course you can see here for the books and the clock. Oh, the books and the clock. Same with this brown. This is 938. It says 2, but I think this is 1. Nope, it's not. It's a different shade. So we got those. Alright, so let's go. 783. First AB. Look at that full thing of AB 136. So pretty. I can see in here where that would go. Look how beautiful that color would be on those books. And this is a square, if I didn't say it before. 321, that red is beautiful. Like a Christmas red to me. 3325, 728, 939, that's a very dark blue. 2 300s, 2895, this is for the dragons. 1905, our second AB. White. Y'all know we have that in every one, but that's a full bag. Full bag of 141 AB. 3371. 2 bags of 3826. 3 bags of 814. That deep red. I forgot it was 5 bags. Alright, so we start here. 898. Ooh, 602 is beautiful. 333. 820. 1 bag of 310. Ha ha ha. Wow, 1 bag 310. 334. 1 bag of 340. 155. I like that shade. 907. 601. 3770, 2 bags of 815, 823, 2 bags of 906. Those dragons are gonna get some nice shading. 845, 798, 2 bags of 890. Pretty colors for the dragons. 775, I love that blue. 797. 3 bags of 301. So that's for the books. 904, that green. 976, you got 2 bags of that. Then our last train is the smaller bags. Wow, you barely got any of this. Look at that, 414, a little bitty bag. 603, 834. Y'all know that number. It's a pretty red. 318, 413, 758. 3837, 165, 740, 900, 322, 550, my favorite purple. BB, there's another AB, 135. That's like a lime greenish yellow. Very pretty. 3746, 208, 3841, 209, 210. I like the shading on that. And then last but not least, 720. That's like a pumpkin color. So those are all of the drills for this beautiful Cookies and Classic by Randall Spangler. I absolutely love it. I think one of his paintings will be the next one that I do. I haven't worked on a dragon one yet. So I'm excited to start that one. So y'all let me know what you think, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.